Water is the elixir of life, and drinking it keeps our humanly bodies well hydrated. You drink mineral water for its benefits, and your skin needs to drink mineral water too. Specific minerals are needed for cell repair to speed up wound healing. Minerals improve skin's hydration to keep dryness at bay. Minerals also increase skin's elasticity to reduce the formation of wrinkles. Minerals even build up your skin's resistant barrier that protects you from external irritants. Minerals are vital and imperative to the overall health of your skin, but you lose them continuously through sweat and natural discharge. You need to replenish them, and it is most effective to dissolve the minerals directly onto your skin. Best Water is the mineral water formulated precisely for your skin. We have chosen the perfect blend of 30 types of minerals in an encompassing solution for beautiful skin. They repair, strengthen, hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin, keeping your skin young, bouncy, and supple with a balanced texture and even tone. We pack these 30 types of minerals in high concentrations in our Best Water. On top of that, we've added citrus oil for additional vitamin C, ylang-ylang oil, and jojoba oil for moisturizing and calming effects. Our Best Water instantly cools your skin and pacifies any inflammation and irritation. Our latest microbiome range is infused with a probiotic called lactobacillus. Thanks to this probiotic, our Best Water doubles its effectiveness in skin repair, calming, and protecting. Best Water comes in two versions, Best Water Silver and Best Water Platinum. Both precious metals in the respective Best Waters are renowned for their antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-aging effects. Best Water completes the minerals required by your skin. All of our products are made from premium quality, EcoCert approved organic ingredients. There are no alcohols, no preservatives, or synthetic fragrances. With Black Paint, you will allow your skin to be beautiful naturally. At Black Paint, we have made a continuous effort to improve our products. Because of this dedication, we have achieved the 10th consecutive year of the Grand Gold Medal of the Monday Selection Awards in the year 2019. This award is a globally renowned award run by the International Institute of Quality Selections in Belgium, equivalent to the difficulty of maintaining a 3-star Michelin accolade for 10 consecutive years.